Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we're bringing you a live flight test of the Skydroid C13 gimbal paired with the Skydroid G20 remote controller. The C13 is a compact, high-definition, triple-sensor gimbal featuring the latest generation image processing chip and a distortion-free HD camera. It offers an effective resolution of 5 megapixels, powerful 2K video recording and photo capabilities, and supports 30x digital zoom, bringing distant scenery right before your eyes. It is equipped with a 640,512 resolution thermal imaging camera, providing a wide field of view and clear visuals for long-distance heat source detection. Compared to the C12, the C13 now includes a laser rangefinder module with an effective measuring range of up to 1 kilometer. With its industrial-grade 3-axis stabilization system, image shake is significantly reduced, ensuring consistently smooth footage. That concludes our live flight test of the Skydroid C13 gimbal. Thank you for watching and supporting us. If you have any questions about the video content or would like us to dive deeper into certain aspects in future episodes, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue to bring you more drone equipment reviews, tutorials, and practical guides. See you in the next video.